Alright, we got TLB330, Buckle Up, shot by Mobile Motion Films. This is the second listen to TLB330. The first one, it was cool, and he had an AI video, so I couldn't really concentrate because the AI was like fucking my head up. But how long ago is this? 5 months ago, from Aslan 2. We're gonna give it. He sound like he can talk that shit, so we're gonna see. So let's go straight into it. I can talk. Let's go straight into it. I told y'all, bro. Y'all beat selections be crazy as fuck.
Some niggas ain't got cheese, but I'm the type to run it up. Finger tucked on the top, we finna go and blow it up. When bro took it L, I told him keep your chin up. When we was in that V, yeah, I told y'all niggas buckle up. When I go out in public, I'm always buffed up. And I got my pole while y'all niggas loafed up. Y'all be tryna back door, but I keep my door shut. While y'all tryna bust a nut, you should be getting money. And when I drive my first, my dog thought shit was funny. But now I'm getting views and I'm touching.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. Let me bust my nut and get some money. Like what you mean? I'm trying to bust a nut and not get money. I love money and I love busting a nut. Bro, you can't tell me you ain't bust a nut before, bro. You just strictly about the bread. You ain't busting your nuts. I gotta rephrase that, bro. You ain't getting no coochie or nothing, bro. It ain't nothing wrong with having a little fun. Like, you supposed to wait to have fun, get to it, then have fun, yeah. But if you making that bread, bro, you cannot tell me you not gonna want to get some cootie, some cooter, some boxy. You can't tell me. So don't tell me though, cause I'm gonna bust my nut and get some money. Get some money, then bust my nut. Either or, it don't matter for me. Bust your nut, bro.
You know you should be getting money. And when I drive my first, my dog thought shit was funny. But now I'm getting views and I'm touching real money. Trying to scam the scammer, but you a real dummy. And when I walk down the street, you was some real puppies. But in real life, y'all niggas just some real flunkies. Trying to go to parties, yeah, y'all some real junkies. Trying to slide my auntie, tell me please don't hurt him. My girl ain't easy, yeah, she ain't like these other flirties. I love my girl, yeah, she is really party. Pop out and shoot a 3, I feel like Steph Curry. I done shot my shot at a real fatty. Cover low, I'm trying.
Bro. You lying. What are you saying though?
She ain't like these other flirties. I love my girl, yeah, she is really party. Pop out and shoot a 3, I feel like Steph.
I love my girl, she real pretty. Bro, I think this is the first nigga I ever heard you purdy in a song. Bro, you sliding, bro. You just catching a nigga off guard. Run that whole word scheme back. Come on.
Just some real flunkies. Tryna go to parties, yeah, y'all some real junkies. Tryna slide my auntie, tell me please don't hurt him. My girl ain't easy, yeah, she ain't like these other flirties. I love my girl, yeah, she is really party. Pop out and shoot a 3, I feel like Steph Curry. I done shot my shot at a real baddie. Cover low, I'm tryna see it moving some real fatty. I'm tryna slide broad day and skirt right past him. Granny told me keep going, so I'ma go past him. And when I make it to the top, there ain't no love past it. But if you take it out, you gotta get back and cast it. Some niggas ain't got cheese, but I'm the type to run it up. Finger tucked on the top, we finna go and blow it up. When bro took it L, I told him keep your chin up. When we was in that V, yeah, I told y'all niggas buckle up.
Yeah. We got TLB330, Buckle Up, directed by Mobile Motion Films. I fuck with that. Better than the first song that I heard by you for sure. I like this. I ain't gonna do 2 in a row. I'm gonna spin back and do you again.